Hey guys, this is Hunter with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're going to be discussing what abrasive blasting is. You may have already heard about this, and it is most commonly known as wet blasting, vapor honing, dustless blasting, or vapor blasting. Abrasive blasting is used loosely in the industry to refer to dry blast, but there are many forms of abrasive blasting out there. Whichever terminology you use, our process refers to using water, abrasive, and compressed air to clean objects and surfaces. This process cleans thoroughly and effectively without debris. Abrasive blasting can be used on various surfaces such as metal, stone, and concrete. You can use wet blasting for something as complicated as graffiti to your stone patio. This does domestic and industrial cleaning as well. If you'd like some more information on abrasive blasting, please call the sales team at 828-202-5563 and we will be more than happy to help.